wanna make a video. I'm trying to get the list and go and yeah, the diamond or gold. I'm just saying, I'm not the best sniper ever, but at least I know how to scope. I guess that's one thing, ain't it? Holy fuck cake. Holy shit. Okay. Let's go with this last then. You know what I should do? Yeah. No. Probably I could, but next video I'll do it. I'm not good, as you can see. But to get a kill. Flight jacket! Holy shit, nades. Holy. Yeah, it's a hole. Yeah, it's a side. Wow, 460 no scope. Don't reload. No. Oh. Fuck. Can't get it. Can't get it. Oh, I can't get it. I can't. Oh, so close. Ooh, double shot. There, it looked like. Let's see if we can get this wall bang. No, he's not there anymore. He's killed me. Only 2 and 8. Dang, I promise guys, I got like 40 kills and 5 deaths and games like that, but oh fuck. What? Oh. One thing, I hate laggy games. Boom. This is the first video I make, so yeah. Don't expect the best or the best commentary. But oh, this could be a spot. Just to snipe somebody or kill somebody. Yeah. I wish you could just like woohoo. Yeah. I was about to say that I just randomly died there, but guys, I'm not English, so don't expect. Just hate the video if you want. Just hate it if you want. But if you enjoy, just hit the like button. Yeah. Oh no! Look at the mini map. Oh no! Oh no! I'm flashed and I know. La. Yay, teammates. Yay for teammates. That was a nice kill. If I see about somebody. Oh, so close. Oh, fuck. No. Don't. No, fuck. No. Dang. Hitman. It's not Hitmarker, it's Hitman. I am Hitman. Woo! You gotta be kidding me, right? You gotta be fun. Let's change class. Guys, this is only for my iPad, so I'll probably get an HD PVR to Christmas or something, but I don't know. Hopefully I'll get it. But my mom says I'm not allowed to play this game. Ah, fuck. My voice sounds so girly when I talk like my iPad and something. Yeah, I just said it. I talk to my iPad. But when I talk to my iPad, it just gets like so bright. Yeah, that was a nice burst. Another nice burst. I really wanna. Can you hear I'm good at English? I am good at English. Okay, if you just said it. Holy jeez, did you guys see that? Holy jeez, hacker report! Report. How the fuck did he? Guys, best gameplay on the earth you get here. Holy jeez, Mark. Again, I'm Hitman. Hitman Absolution. Hitman Absolution. Yeah, I play with my friend Ryan, but he's gone over to Xbox now, so he made a first video with the song and everything like that, but we aren't ghosts anymore. You guys seem to hate it, so yeah. I'm trying to fucking get a kill here, man. That's okay. I wish I could just have my camera like standing like this. It would be like perfect. But like it's like boom. There you go. Yeah, I think I would probably just do like 4 or 5 episodes now. The thing is, I don't have a PC, so well, I don't have a what's it called? I only know it on Norwegian. It's called Lada, but I don't give a. Okay, change gun. Let's go ham. That is just me, or is that really bad texture? No, that's semantics. I just want to shoot. Suddenly you just say like, triple headshot. Guys, a tip. When you see that on the map, you write a thingy, and it goes like, shit. Then it means that, then it means like, what's it called? Score streak. Like paper plane comes to you, so when that goes, just run away. Or else, look at me. 10:31, new record. Just kidding. I got that from G. So I'm probably, bye. Bye. Bye.